Today's lesson about 10 science awareness fact. Awareness number 1: brain needs water. Did you know your brain is mostly water? About 75% of your brain is water, and even losing just 1–2% through dehydration can affect your focus, memory, and mood. That's why you feel headaches, tiredness, or brain fog when you don't drink enough. Your brain cells actually use water to send electrical signals faster. So before you grab coffee when you feel tired, try drinking a glass of water first. Awareness number 2: sleep is repair time. Sleep isn't just rest, it's repair time for your whole body. While you sleep, your brain removes toxins, stores memories, repairs muscles, and balances hormones like cortisol and growth hormone. If you regularly sleep less than 6 hours, your risk of heart disease, obesity, and depression increases. So sleep isn't laziness, it's biological maintenance. Aim for 7 to 8 hours every night. Awareness number 3: handwashing saves lives. Here's something simple that saves millions of lives: washing your hands. Soap breaks down the fatty outer layer of viruses and bacteria, literally destroying them. It's not just rinsing, the soap actually kills germs. Studies show proper hand washing can reduce infections by almost 50%. Just 20 seconds with soap can protect you and your family. Awareness number 4: sitting too long is dangerous. Sitting all day might seem harmless, but it's actually dangerous. When you sit for hours, your metabolism slows down, blood circulation drops, and your body burns fewer calories. Over time, this increases your risk of diabetes, heart disease, and obesity. That's why researchers call sitting the new smoking. Stand up, stretch, or walk every 30 minutes. Awareness number 5: sunlight is necessary. Many people avoid sunlight completely, but your body actually needs it. Sunlight helps your skin produce vitamin D, which keeps your bones strong, boosts your immune system, and even improves mood. Low vitamin D is linked to fatigue and depression. Just 10 to 20 minutes of morning sunlight is enough. So step outside daily, safely, not excessively. Awareness number 6: your lungs are huge. Your lungs are way bigger than you think. Inside, they have millions of tiny air sacs. If you spread them out flat, they'd cover about 70 square meters, almost half a tennis court. This huge surface helps oxygen enter your blood quickly. But it also means polluted air affects you more. That's why clean air and deep breathing are so important. Awareness number 7: sugar affects your brain. Sugar doesn't just affect your body, it affects your brain too. When you eat sugar, your brain releases dopamine, the same feel-good chemical linked to rewards and addiction. That's why sweets make you crave more and more. Too much sugar increases obesity, diabetes, and energy crashes. Try replacing sugary snacks with fruits or water sometimes. Awareness number 8: your heart never rests. Your heart is the hardest working muscle in your body. It beats about 100,000 times every day and pumps over 7,000 liters of blood, non-stop, even while you sleep. That's a huge workload. Regular exercise strengthens your heart so it doesn't have to struggle. Even a 30-minute walk daily can make a big difference. Awareness number 9: screens disturb sleep. Using your phone before bed might be ruining your sleep. Screens emit blue light, which blocks melatonin, the hormone that tells your brain it's time to sleep. So even if you feel tired, your brain stays awake. This can delay sleep by 1 to 2 hours and reduce sleep quality. Try turning off screens at least 1 hour before bed. Awareness number 10: slow breathing reduces stress. When you are stressed, your breathing becomes fast and shallow. But slow breathing sends a signal to your brain that you are safe. It lowers heart rate, blood pressure, and anxiety by activating your relaxation system. Try this. Inhale for 4 seconds, exhale for 6 seconds. Do it for 1 minute. You'll feel calmer almost instantly.